You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Nubia has been pushing the boundaries of gaming phone hardware with its Red Magic line, but now the company is going another route with a mid-range series dubbed Nubia Play. The first phone in the series, called Nubia Play 5G, was just announced in China and brings a 6.65-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with the same 144Hz refresh rate as the flagship Red Magic 5G, alongside 5G connectivity thanks to the Snapdragon 765G SoC and a generous 5100 mAh battery. As confirmed via teasers last week, the newly launched Nubia Play 5G smartphone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor and Adreno 620 GPU, paired with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.1 storage. On the front, the phone sports a 6.65 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate, similar to Nubia Red Magic 5G. The best part of this panel is it does not have any notch or punch hole to interfere full-screen viewing experience. The back of the handset features an X-gradient pattern, similar to Honor 9X, along with 5G branding on the right side, Nubia branding at the bottom, and powered by Nubia branding on the left side. Further, the top portion of the device's rear side houses a vertical strip housing 3 cameras, whereas the fourth camera sits to the right side of the strip opposite to LED flash on the left side. As for camera configuration, the phone comes with a 48MP Sony IMX582 primary sensor, similar to Redmi K20 from last year. That means 4K video recording on this smartphone is capped at 30 FPS. The other cameras on the device include an 8MP ultra-wide unit, a 2MP macro camera, another 2MP depth sensor, and a 16MP selfie camera. The handset comes with a number of camera features, including a vlog mode like the one found on MIUI 11, a weird slow-motion video recording to capture dance moves and lightsaber effects, and more. For gaming, the device features dual customizable shoulder buttons, as well as ICE 2.5 cooling system, which is a combination of 61mm liquid cooling pipe, thermal gel, copper foil, and graphite sheet. Lastly, for software, the device runs Nubia UI 8.0 based on Android 10 and is backed by a large 5100 mAh battery with support for 30-watt PD fast charging, compatible with Qualcomm Quick Charge and PPS chargers. The Nubia Play 5G comes in 3 paint jobs, and they are black, blue, and white respectively. The handset is already up for pre-order on multiple retailers and will go on sale for the first time from April 24 for the following prices. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.